Good morning, Grandpa Bobby here. I'm here today to talk about a project that is a 2013 Ford Edge Limited with a 3.5 V6. The purge valve, this is a new one. This one only cost $61 at my local Essential Ford up in Stuart, Florida. But we're going to replace this today. It's back on against the firewall, so I'll show you where that's located. Okay, I'm going to show you now where this EVAP purge valve is located on this Ford Edge. If you look back in here, there it is. It's got two 8mm bolts, electrical connector, and a vacuum hose clip that has to come undone. And I'll try to show you as I do this. I've done this already on my 2013 Ford F-150. It did the same problem, and what that is when you go to a gas station and you fill up and the car starts to stall after you fill up, that means you got a leaky purge valve and it's leaking through. When the car normally starts, you can see it runs up to about 1200 RPMs, and then after it settles down just less than 1000 RPMs. But if it starts to go up and down a little bit and starts to choke and want to stall, when you put gas in your car, this means that you probably have a bad purge valve on a Ford. I'm not sure about other makers, but now let's go change out that. So now here is where I had to take a screwdriver on the back of that tab, and I took a pick on the front to push it off. So at first that clip just didn't want to release, and what I really had to end up doing is taking the straight blade, sticking it underneath and wedging it, and then I was able to pop it off. So again, the secret, see how I took the straight blade and I pushed it in, then it finally released. Okay, here is where I had some problems. This is the vacuum line that's plugged into the purge valve. It's a very simple design with Ford. It's got this clip that you can see in the top left corner, and see those ears on the top? Well, you have to try to maneuver with either a screwdriver or some picks and try to get to each side of the tab and push it outward, and then push it down, and then the clip would fall down. My problem is I thought the clip would stay in position when it got halfway down. Well, that wasn't the case, so I lost it. So yes, I should have put a towel underneath where I wouldn't have to worry about it. And also, I really could have done something even better. One of the YouTubers did a video, and he actually took the 8mm bolts off, and then he brought that and the vacuum hose with him up a little bit where he could get to the clips. So again, that would have been the easiest. But here is where I finally just kept struggling with my picks, and finally the clip let go. But like I said, unfortunately it fell down, and I just couldn't find it. I wasn't that lucky to have it go on the ground. And I also wonder if there's a tool out there. If anyone knows about it, put in your comments. Is there a tool that Ford makes that, like a pair of needle nose, maybe with 90s, that you go in and you can push down this clip to make it easy? Anyway, now I have just installed the new purge valve. I put a little bit of engine oil on the O-ring and fastened it with some 8mm. Okay, it's all completed, and I have a piece of foil wedged behind it in a tie wrap until I can get my new clip, and I took it down to the gas station and everything looks great. Okay everyone, thank you for watching. It was a little tough. Just remember, sometimes when you do these jobs, they don't always turn out the way they're supposed to. But this is why we got parts departments and we have YouTube to go look up how to fix it. So, thank you for watching.
Please like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye.